Hey y'all! Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of crystals. I'm thrilled to share with you today the incredible magic of crystals for your everyday wellness. These little gems have been cherished for centuries and for good reason. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Are these just pretty stones or do they really have some kind of power? Can these pretty stones really make a difference in our lives? Well, let me tell you, they absolutely can. Trust me, they sure can. Crystals have unique energies that can enhance our well-being in various ways. Let's dive right in and explore some of the most popular crystals and their benefits. First up, let's talk about amethyst. This beautiful purple gem is known for its powerful healing properties. It's not just a pretty face, it's a true healer. It's perfect for stress relief and promoting a peaceful mind. Imagine coming home after a stressful day and feeling instantly calmed by its presence. Just keep an amethyst by your bed or in your pocket to help you wind down after a long day. It's like having a little piece of tranquility with you. Next, we've got rose quartz. Ah, the stone of unconditional love. This lovely pink crystal is all about enhancing your self-love and compassion. It's like a warm hug for your heart. Hold it close when you're meditating or place it on your heart chakra to open up to love from yourself and others. It's a beautiful way to connect with your inner self. Now, if you're looking to boost your focus and mental clarity, citrine is your go-to. This vibrant yellow stone is known as the success stone. It's like a little ray of sunshine that brings positivity and success into your life. Keep it on your desk or in your workspace to help you stay sharp and motivated. It's perfect for those days when you need an extra boost. For those days when you're feeling a bit off balance, black tourmaline can be a real lifesaver. It's a powerful grounding stone. It helps you stay centered and balanced, especially in chaotic environments. Place it near your electronic devices to ward off negative energy and keep yourself centered. All right, now let's talk about how to use these crystals. So how do you actually use these crystals? It's simpler than you might think. Well, it's simpler than you might think. You don't need to be an expert to benefit from their energy. Start by cleansing your crystals. This is an important step to ensure they're free from any negative energy. You can do this by placing them under running water, leaving them in moonlight overnight, or using sage smoke. Each method has its own unique benefits. This clears any negative energy they may have picked up. It's like giving them a fresh start. Once they're cleansed, simply carry them with you, place them around your home, or use them during meditation. They'll start to work their magic in no time. You'll start to notice the subtle shifts in your energy and mood. Remember, the key is to set an intention with your crystals. This helps to direct their energy towards your specific needs. Hold your crystal, close your eyes, and focus on what you want to manifest. Whether it's peace, love, focus, or protection, be clear about your intention. Crystals amplify the energy you put into them. They're like little energy boosters that help you achieve your goals. I hope this gives you a little insight into the wondrous world of crystals. They're more than just pretty rocks. They're powerful allies in your journey towards well-being and harmony. So go ahead, give it a try. You might be surprised at the positive changes you experience. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on wellness and spirituality. Thanks for watching. Stay balanced, stay blessed.